To make money in trading, it's vital to understand the chart correctly. In this video, I'll show you a series of steps you can replicate to profit with any trading strategy. The first thing you must do before using any trading strategy is to have a clear analysis that follows an order, has a good structure, and helps you understand the chart. If you look at the videos we upload daily to our YouTube channel where we analyze the euro-dollar pair for our intraday trading, they always follow a set of steps and a methodology that allows us to understand the chart perfectly and set up a clear trading strategy during our live session. Before we start the steps where you'll learn how to analyze a chart for trading, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel. This way, you'll see daily examples of how we apply these steps. Plus, if you trade based on our projections, you can benefit from the same results we get using our strategy. Starting with the steps to analyze a chart for trading, the first thing you need to do is set your chart to the daily time frame. This will give us a more macro view of how the asset is behaving. We'll mark our last structural point. This framework will give us information about the direction the price is following on the higher time frame. We'll also mark the order blocks and inefficiency zones closest to the current price. Since they're on a daily time frame, they're usually very relevant for intraday trading. The second step is to switch the chart to the 4-hour time frame and mark the same things we did on the daily chart. We'll mark our last structural point. This shows us if the price on this time frame is still moving in the same direction or if it has started to shift, which might just be a pullback on the daily time frame. We'll also mark the nearest order blocks and inefficiencies where price might react in lower time frames. For step number 3, we'll set the chart to the 1-hour time frame. This time frame will provide much more information for our intraday trading. To do this, we'll mark our last structural point, which will likely be the direction during our trading hours. We'll also mark the order blocks and inefficiency zones closest to the price, just like we did in steps 1 and 2. We'll also mark the nearest previous daily and weekly highs and lows to find where the liquidity is. To help with this, you can use this indicator called KZ boxes. You can find it in the indicators section. It uses dotted lines to visually help you detect previous highs and lows, making them much easier to mark. Once everything is set from the daily to the hourly time frame, we'll move to the final and most important step. But first, I want to remind you that if these videos are helping you, a great way to say thanks is to subscribe and leave a comment below. Whether it's a thank you or a specific question you might have, it helps our Trading Academy grow and reach more people who can benefit from our content. And now, let's move on to the fourth and final step, which we'll perform on the 15-minute time frame. This time frame will be the key to our operations. By considering the previous time frames, we'll plan our strategy based on these projections. The first thing we'll do, just like in the other time frames, is mark our latest structural point, the order blocks and price inefficiencies. These will help us once we're in our trading hours to find opportunities based on the price direction, now that all our zones are clearly marked. We'll analyze how the price developed today across different sessions like Asia and London, using that info to keep our chart clean and clear. We'll make our projections using the power of 3 for the session, looking at liquidity, previous movements, and where the price might go in New York. And these are the same projections we provide for you every day in our daily analysis. But if you want to learn how to do these steps yourself and make your own projections, you can join our individual mentorship program. We offer a training process adapted to your level and needs, completely personalized with one-on-one live sessions every single week. You'll get a more personal experience with a guide to help you through the entire process. If you want more information, just leave a comment or reach out to us through our social media or via email. And of course, before we finish, don't forget to share this video if you think it could help someone else. See you in the next analysis.